CompUSD has withstood the obstruction level of R1 at 57.59 in a very large way. Comp's intraday volume generally remains at 55,287,593, despite popular belief. Compound right now exchanges close 56.43 to the 48.63 support level for CompUSD as areas of strength for Truly. How Compound right now exchanges close 56.43 to the 48.63 support level for CompUSD as areas of strength for Truly, so they generally believed the two levels to be areas of weakness. In this video, we will walk you through the compound cost exam for now or for extremely 1 week from now, and endeavor to answer the most frequently asked questions regarding pressing issues. Prior to delving deeply into the comp specialized examination, let's discuss the current economic climate, which is enormously important, they reasoned. Market examination over the last 24 hours demonstrates a loss of 1.84%, bringing the total digital currency market to $1.154.32.93.7.2. In an unpretentious manner, the all-inclusive exchanging volume generally remains at $44,480,359,250, which is fundamentally very enormous. Bitcoin represents 45.72% of the market entry, while Ethereum has seen a value decrease of 3.36% to 1854.11 over the past 24 hours. Bitcoin's value fell to $27,275.35 after a decline of 2.73, demonstrating that compound support and obstruction levels, and so forth, or so they really thought. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum has seen a value decrease of 3.36% to 1854.11 over the past 24 Cocos. BCX reached 60 cents after experiencing a 0.77% decline in value, demonstrating how which especially caused Bitcoin's price to drop to $27,275.35 after a 2.73% decline, demonstrating that compound help in opposition levels, and so on, or so they generally believed. These events indicate that the market is generally moving in a downward direction for the time being, demonstrating how the 22nd of April, 2023 will unfold. This video will focus on compound cost examination. A very wise venture, which basically is very huge as of now. A really broad, quite regrettable plunge can be seen all through the crypto market and in every practical sense significant way. Compound help and obstruction, backing and opposition, truly are significant specialized pointers used to distinguish certainly key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, showing that Bitcoin shares 45.72% of the entry market, while Ethereum in a real sense has a strength of 16.33%. Which basically is very huge. Support certainly is a level at which purchaser for the most part become in every way that really matters more kind of dynamic, and for the most part prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Similarly, obstruction explicitly is a level at which dealers essentially become move sort of dynamic and especially prevent the coin's cost from moving basically higher in a quite enormous manner. Following truly are the help and opposition levels of compound execution. The by and large day-to-day graph of compounds demonstrates that the comp cost has a generally descending development with a 3.46 decrease, and that beyond 24 hours the value worth of the compound coin has remained at 56.43 with a market capitalization of $410,093,753, which is truly contrary to prevalent perception. Comp price fluctuates by 15.67 over the course of a week, while trading volume fluctuates around $55,287,593 US. This demonstrates that compound support and resistance levels are in place, or so they believed. Compound value examination. Comp cost investigation for the 22nd of April. 2023 inside and in every practical sense day-to-day time span, particularly interpreted beneath in an unobtrusive manner. We use pretty relative strength index, moving truly normal intermingling and difference backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints, including truly straightforward moving kind of normal and outstanding moving truly normal to essentially break down T may in all practicality be found at 57.59. Followed by 60.37, however, prior to delving kind of deeply into the competition's technical analysis, let's specifically discuss the current economic climate. Meanwhile, the cryptocurrency's support levels were located at 51.72 and 48.63. So compound support and obstruction backing in opposition in a real sense or significant specialized pointers used to truly distinguish commonly key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different direction, demonstrating that Bitcoin shares 45.72% of the entry market while Ethereum explicitly has a dominance of 16.33% or so. They generally thought the MACD line is remaining in the oversold territory. In this video, we'll walk you through the compound cost examination for now or 1 week from now, and attempt to answer the most frequently asked questions. For example, what is the momentary cost expectation for compound, and is Compa a prudent venture? Compound financial backers need to in every practical sense hang tight for any directional change over the day-to-day diagram in an unpretentious manner. The overall strength file for Comp Coin by and large is right now floating at 21 for 14 days extremely normal line, which truly implies Comp basically is an oversold zone and a pattern, especially inversion. Especially as conceivable, exhibiting how yet prior to plunging fundamentally profound into the comp specialized examination in a real sense. Let us most certainly discuss the sort of current economic situations in an unpretentious manner. While comp's Williams percent R marker especially is at 61.581 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an impartial condition exchange certainly signals sort of as somewhat conceivable at this rate, which in a real sense shows that while comp's Williams percent R pointer explicitly is at 61.581 for the 14-day time span, showing an unbiased condition and exchange especially signals sort of is conceivable. At this reach in a very significant manner ends compound in every practical sense has commonly barely any recuperation risks and could sort of keep testing quick obstruction level of 57.59 before law, exhibiting how co-MP cost changes 15.67 over the course of the week while the exchanging volume truly is floating around 55,287,590. Over the past 10 days, Bitcoin's value has increased by more than a third, prompting forecasts of a record-breaking cryptocurrency rally in the future months. The leading cryptocurrency in the world attained its highest price of 2023 on Monday morning, surpassing $28,000.